Oh no! And then it's sailing.
Heartbroken, mate.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode in the Bag and the Munros series. Today we're climbing Carn Gorm, meall, garbh, Carn Mairg, meall, yan, all beside Inverrar. The start of the Munro walk is at Inverrar car park, and a fair bit of warning, they are really bad for leaving parking fines if you're not in the car park, so you have to get up really early to do it just so you don't get a fine, or you have to find some alternative parking. And you're now about to see another failed attempt at an in-person intro.
I'm not watching, don't worry, just go on.
Oh! No! As you can see, we were too late and we had to park on the road, and we did get a parking fine at the end, and you'll be able to watch us open it if you stay till the end. I had a protein shake before I left, which we'll explain this next bit in the clip.
Man, oh, I have to cut that out!
So we're now just at the Y junction where you can either go clockwise or anti-clockwise round the routes. We ended up deciding to go clockwise round the routes, but this first part that we came to was just full of flies and it was just horrible trying to run away from them all. This first part of the walk has some really nice views just coming up the side of the river. We're almost at the top of the first Munro and we decided to have a quick pancake picnic.
There, man. Look, the
Yeah,
I
packed it fine. Right. There's our pancakes. Okay, assembly line on. There you go.
Nice one.
Oh, there's more people coming. When we were near the top of most of the Munros, we didn't get that great views, but when we were just below the top, we were just under the clouds, so we did get some good views eventually. But we got to the top of the first Munro in 1 hour and 48 minutes. The first two Munros are really close to each other, that's how it only took us 40 minutes to get from the first one to the second Munro. This is us now just coming up between the second and third Munro. Just listen to the difference between the next two clips. The first one's extremely windy and the second one is just absolute dead, and they're only like 20 seconds apart. After a quick lunch break, we managed to get to the top of the third Munro in 4 hours and 4 minutes. And now we're starting a quick descent before we start to go up Meall Yan Yan. And this is us now at the fourth and final Munro, and we managed to complete it in under 5 hours. And now we have a decent walk back to the car park. Oh no! I didn't say one.
Heartbroken, mate. Heartbroken.
If you're enjoying the video so far and you're not already subscribed, please can you subscribe to the channel because it does help out my channel quite a lot. Yeah, raging.
Don't let Chucky. Don't feel bad.
And we managed to time it really well because just as it started spinning, we were getting really close to the cars. But after an hour walk back from the fourth Munro, we managed to finish the walk in 6 hours and 7 minutes.
Hold on.
Right, now let's get into some stats. Out of the 4 Munros, meall Garbh is the smallest at 968 metres and Carn Mairg is the tallest at 1041 metres. The route in total took us 6 hours and 7 minutes at a distance of 18 kilometres with a total ascent of 1387 metres. And remember, you'll have to arrive at the car park really early or you'll have to find alternative parking or risk getting a fine. Because you made it to the end of the video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future hill walking videos. I'll see you in the next one.